Imagine a world where a single plant can build homes, produce paper, and even create the utensils we use daily. Bamboo is not just a plant, it is a miracle resource that has been used for thousands of years, and its applications are only expanding in modern times. Known for its sustainability and versatility, bamboo is now being harvested by the millions of tons and processed into a wide array of products, from eco-friendly chopsticks to durable housing materials. But how exactly is this done? How is bamboo transformed from a towering green stalk into products that touch every part of our lives? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating journey of bamboo from forest to factory to final product. In the kitchen, bamboo is a go-to material for utensils, cutting boards, and even dish racks. Its natural properties make it resistant to moisture and bacteria, ensuring that kitchen items made from bamboo are both durable and hygienic. In the realm of personal care, bamboo is increasingly used in the production of toothbrushes, combs, and even fabrics for clothing. The fibers are soft yet strong, offering a comfortable and eco-friendly alternative to synthetic materials. Beyond the household, bamboo plays a significant role in the paper industry. Its fibers can be transformed into high-quality paper that requires fewer chemicals and less energy to produce compared to traditional wood-based paper. This makes bamboo paper an appealing option for environmentally conscious consumers who seek sustainable products without sacrificing quality. In the construction sector, bamboo is celebrated for its strength and flexibility. Its ability to withstand significant stress makes it suitable for a variety of structural applications, from beams and flooring to entire frameworks of eco-friendly homes. Architectural innovations are continuously exploring new ways to incorporate bamboo, leveraging its unique properties to create sustainable and resilient structures. Bamboo's rapid growth rate and ability to regenerate quickly make it a renewable resource that can be harvested sustainably, ensuring its continued availability for future generations. Let's get into harvesting bamboo. It involves a combination of traditional and modern methods to ensure efficiency and sustainability. Tools like machetes and saws have been used for generations, allowing harvesters to cut bamboo stalks with precision. For larger-scale operations, mechanized equipment can significantly speed up the process, handling multiple stalks at once. A key aspect of bamboo harvesting is timing. Bamboo plants are typically harvested during the dry season when their water content is low. This timing reduces the likelihood of pest infestations and mold growth, which can compromise the quality of the bamboo. Additionally, harvesting at this time minimizes the damage to the surrounding environment, as the ground is less likely to be muddy and disturbed. Selective cutting is another crucial practice in sustainable bamboo harvesting. By choosing only mature stalks and leaving younger shoots intact, harvesters promote natural regeneration. This method not only ensures the health of the bamboo grove, but also maintains the biodiversity of the area. Mature stalks are identified by their larger diameter and darker color, indicating they have reached their full potential for use in various applications. In some regions, bamboo is harvested by hand to minimize environmental impact further. This approach allows for more precise cutting and reduces the disturbance to the surrounding vegetation. Hand harvesting also provides local communities with employment opportunities, supporting economic development while preserving traditional practices. Once harvested, the bamboo is often transported to processing facilities where it undergoes further steps to prepare it for its eventual use. Whether for chopsticks, paper, or construction materials, the quality of the bamboo is preserved through careful handling and transportation. This multifaceted approach to bamboo harvesting ensures that this versatile resource can be sustainably managed for future generations. Once the bamboo reaches the factory, it undergoes a series of meticulous steps to prepare it for its various end uses. The first stage involves sorting the bamboo to separate different grades and sizes, ensuring that each piece meets the required specifications. The bamboo is then cleaned thoroughly to remove any dirt, debris, or insects that may have attached themselves during harvesting. Following the cleaning process, the bamboo is cut into smaller sections according to its intended purpose. For example, Bamboo designated for chopsticks will be sliced into thin strips, whereas bamboo meant for construction may be cut into larger beams or planks. The next step is splitting the bamboo, which involves dividing the hollow stems into smaller, more manageable pieces. Once split, the bamboo sections are subjected to a drying process to remove moisture. This step is crucial for preventing mold growth and enhancing the bamboo's durability. Various drying methods are employed, such as air drying or kiln drying, depending on the desired outcome and scale of production. After drying, the bamboo is treated to protect it from pests and decay. This treatment often involves immersing the bamboo in a solution that fortifies its natural defenses. The treated bamboo is then ready for further refinement based on its final application. For example, bamboo intended for paper production will be pulped, while bamboo for construction may undergo additional shaping and finishing. Throughout these stages, quality control measures are in place to ensure that the bamboo maintains its structural integrity and meets industry standards. By following these detailed procedures, factories can transform raw bamboo into a variety of high-quality, sustainable products ready for the market. Let's see how bamboo is turned into chopsticks. It requires several intricate steps to ensure both functionality and quality. Initially, the bamboo is sliced into thin strips. These strips are then planed to the appropriate thickness, making them uniform and easy to handle. Once the strips achieve the desired thickness, they are cut into the typical chopstick shape, which is long and slender. Following the shaping process, the chopsticks undergo sanding to create a smooth surface. This step is crucial for user comfort, eliminating any rough edges that could cause splinters. Depending on the final product's specifications, the chopsticks may also be polished or coated. Polishing enhances their aesthetic appeal, giving them a sleek finish, while coating can add an extra layer of protection against moisture and wear. Throughout these steps, quality control measures are rigorously applied to ensure each pair of chopsticks meets industry standards. This attention to detail is vital for producing chopsticks that are not only visually appealing, but also durable and safe for use. Given the rising global interest in sustainable products, bamboo chopsticks are increasingly preferred for their renewable nature and robust construction. Additionally, the process may involve branding or adding decorative elements to the chopsticks, catering to both functional and aesthetic preferences. Factories often customize the design to meet various market demands, from simple utilitarian chopsticks to more ornate decorative ones. Overall, the transformation of bamboo into chopsticks is a detailed process that highlights bamboo's adaptability and utility. Each step, from slicing to sanding, is meticulously executed to produce a product that combines tradition with sustainability. Moving on to the production of bamboo paper. It begins with the pulping process, where bamboo fibers are softened and broken down in water. This mixture is then spread onto screens to form sheets. After drying, these sheets undergo pressing to smooth out the surface and enhance the paper's quality. Unlike traditional wood-based paper, bamboo paper production uses fewer chemicals and less energy, making it an environmentally friendly choice. The unique properties of bamboo fibers contribute to a paper that is both durable and flexible, suitable for a variety of uses from notebooks to packaging materials. Bamboo paper offers a texture and strength that is comparable to conventional paper, meeting the needs of both consumers and businesses. The eco-friendly attributes make it an appealing option for those seeking sustainable alternatives. In the factory, the process is closely monitored to ensure consistency and quality, with each sheet undergoing rigorous quality control measures. Whether used for printing, writing, or crafting, bamboo paper serves as a testament to the resourcefulness and versatility of bamboo, further solidifying its place in the array of sustainable materials. If that was not enough, let's see how bamboo is used in the construction industry, offering a blend of strength, flexibility, and sustainability. Its rapid growth rate and ability to regenerate quickly make it a prime candidate for eco-friendly building materials. Bamboo can be used in a variety of structural applications, from beams and columns to walls and flooring. Its natural flexibility provides excellent seismic resistance, making it ideal for areas prone to earthquakes. Additionally, bamboo's lightweight nature allows for easier transportation and handling, reducing construction costs and energy use. Architects and builders are increasingly turning to bamboo for its aesthetic and functional properties. Modern eco-homes often incorporate bamboo in their design, using it for both structural elements and decorative features. The material's natural appearance adds a unique and appealing look to homes, creating a harmonious blend with the surrounding environment. Innovations in bamboo processing have expanded its applications in construction. Techniques such as lamination and treatment with preservatives enhance bamboo's durability and resistance to pests, making it suitable for long-term use. Engineered bamboo products like bamboo plywood and bamboo composite materials offer enhanced strength and versatility, enabling their use in more complex and demanding construction projects. In regions where bamboo is abundant, its use in building homes supports local economies and provides a sustainable alternative to traditional construction materials. By utilizing bamboo, communities can reduce their reliance on less sustainable resources, contributing to environmental conservation. As awareness of bamboo's benefits continues to grow, it is poised to play an increasingly significant role in the future of sustainable construction, shaping the way homes and buildings are designed and built. So what about the future? Innovations in bamboo processing are set to revolutionize its use across a multitude of industries. Enhanced techniques are enabling the efficient conversion of bamboo fibers into textiles, providing a sustainable alternative to synthetic fabrics. This shift is particularly significant in the fashion industry, where there is growing demand for eco-friendly materials. Beyond textiles, bamboo's versatility extends to the creation of composites and biodegradable plastics, offering green solutions for packaging and other applications. In renewable energy, bamboo biomass is emerging as a promising source for biofuel production. Its rapid growth and high yield make it an efficient and sustainable option for energy generation. Additionally, research into bamboo's structural properties is paving the way for its use in more advanced engineering projects, such as lightweight, high-strength components for automotive and aerospace industries. The medical field is also exploring bamboo's potential, particularly its antimicrobial properties. Bamboo-based materials are being developed for use in medical textiles and hygiene products, providing both functional and environmental benefits. These innovations highlight bamboo's potential to address various challenges, from reducing plastic waste to enhancing the sustainability of energy and healthcare sectors. As the global push for sustainability intensifies, industries are increasingly recognizing bamboo's potential. Efforts are underway to improve cultivation methods, ensuring that bamboo can be grown and harvested with minimal environmental impact. This focus on sustainability, combined with ongoing research and technological advancements, is positioning bamboo as a key player in the future of sustainable materials. However, there are challenges. The bamboo manufacturing industry is burgeoning, but it faces its share of challenges that necessitate innovative solutions. One significant hurdle is the lack of standardized processing methods, which can lead to inconsistencies in the quality and performance of bamboo products. This is particularly crucial for industries that demand high precision, such as construction and textiles. Addressing this issue requires the development and implementation of uniform processing standards to ensure that bamboo products meet consistent quality benchmarks. Expanding bamboo cultivation also presents challenges. While bamboo is a renewable resource, its large-scale cultivation needs to be managed carefully to avoid environmental degradation. Proper land management practices are essential to maintain soil health, prevent deforestation, and protect local ecosystems. Innovations in cultivation methods, such as integrated pest management and soil conservation techniques, are being explored to make bamboo farming more sustainable. Additionally, the industry is exploring new treatment methods to enhance bamboo's durability and resistance to pests. Traditional treatments often involve chemicals that can be harmful to the environment. However, Researchers are developing eco-friendly alternatives that achieve the same protective effects without negative environmental impacts. Techniques like thermal treatment and natural preservatives are gaining traction as sustainable options. Technological advancements in harvesting methods are also making a significant impact. Mechanized harvesting equipment is being designed to increase efficiency while minimizing environmental disruption. These innovations not only streamline the harvesting process, but also reduce labor costs and improve safety for workers. By addressing these challenges through innovation and sustainable practices, the bamboo manufacturing industry can continue to grow and solidify its role as a key player in the realm of eco-friendly materials. And there you have it. The journey of bamboo from forest to factory is a testament to human ingenuity and nature's generosity. By harvesting millions of tons of bamboo and processing it into chopsticks, paper, and housing materials, we're not only meeting global demand, but also paving the way for a more sustainable future. Bamboo's versatility and eco-friendliness make it a crucial player in the fight against climate change and deforestation. As technology advances and more industries embrace bamboo, we can look forward to a greener, more sustainable world. So, the next time you pick up a pair of bamboo chopsticks or admire a bamboo-built house, remember the incredible journey that brought it to life. If you've enjoyed this journey into the world of bamboo, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating stories about the wonders of nature and technology. And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite bamboo product? Thanks for watching.